Hello friends, welcome to the Sustain Agro channel, where we teach new, indigenous and natural farming methods that will fill your home with greenery and health.
In today's video, we'll learn how to grow tomatoes in a pot step by step. That means you can grow plenty of tomatoes on your balcony or terrace without a farm or a lot of expenses. Step 1. Choose the right variety.
If you're growing tomatoes for the first time, a cherry tomato or patio variety would be best.
These plants are small and produce well in pots. Step 2. Prepare the pot and soil.
Get a 12 to 16 inch pot. Make sure to have drainage holes in the bottom to prevent water from stagnating. Now mix in the soil.
1 part garden soil, 1 part cow dung manure or vermicompost, and 1 part sand or perlite,
So that the soil is light and airy.
Step 3. Plant the seeds or plant.
If you're growing from seeds, first sow them in a small tray or cup. Transplant them into a larger pot when the plant reaches 4 to 6 inches tall. Or, buy a healthy plant directly from the nursery and plant it in a pot. Water the plant by lightly tamping it down.
Step 4. Monitor sunlight, and watering tomatoes need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily.
If your balcony receives this much sunlight,
The plant will grow very quickly.
water only when the topsoil dries out slightly.
Too much water can cause the roots to rot. Step 5. Fertilizing,
Add a little organic fertilizer every 15 to 20 days.
such as cow dung manure, vermicompost, or neem cake. When flowers and fruits begin to appear.
Apply an organic fertilizer high in potash and phosphorus.
Step 6. Support and pruning. As the plant grows,
Provide it with a wooden or stick to prevent it from falling over. Also, remove dry and yellow leaves from the bottom.
this will make the plant stronger. Step 7. Disease and pest control. If you notice small insects or whiteflies on the leaves,
Spray with 2% neem oil.
remember to never let water stagnate in the soil. Always keep the plant in a well-ventilated area. Step 8. Harvesting and harvesting. In about 70 to 90 days, your pot will start bearing red tomatoes.
When the fruit is completely red and firm, just twist it gently and break it. That's it. Now your own tomatoes are ready to eat.
Delicious, fresh, and 100% organic. So friends, you see, with a little care and the right methods, we can grow fresh tomatoes at home. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe to the Sustain Agro channel so you'll be the first to receive such easy indigenous farming methods.